Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Anthony from Joice Hair. And yesterday we were talking about the full lace wig, and today I will bring you the lace frontal wig. And this is a 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig, and this is it, 13 by 4 inches. And this wig is 20 inches straight lace wig. Look. And so what is the difference between this wig and full lace wig is here. Look. Here is 4 inches long, here is 4 inches long here. And for full lace wig, all the hairs are, all here are handmade, and it's ventilated overall. But for this one, only this part is ventilated. Look, and this hair is pretty straight, and look, it's very smooth and soft and shining as well. This lace frontal wig, 13 by 4. This kind of wig you can part from front side. You can parting here, and but for front full lace wig, you can part anywhere. And if you see this, see here, look, this is lace front wig, so the back side and other side you can see you cannot part from here, because you can see it's sewing by machine, right? And let me bring you the full lace wig, and so you can compare. This is the full lace wig, and you can see everywhere is handmade. And this is lace frontal wig, and only here is handmade, and elsewhere most of the air here is wefted. Here is sewn in by sewing machine, so everywhere is handmade, ventilated. So because it takes much time of a worker to ventilating for a wig, that's why this wig is much more expensive than lace frontal wig. Full lace wig, and lace frontal wig. Okay, so some customer is asking that whether it's they want a no glue wig. Actually, right now all the hairs, almost 99% of the hair, the wigs in the market, there's no that they are no glue wigs. You don't have to use glue to fix on your head, and because all the hairs has a comb and has an elastic band, you can fix it on the head. So of course it's no glue wigs. What do we have are no glue wigs. And so according to your budget, you can choose you want a lace front wig or full lace wig. So thanks for watching, see you next time.